I'm sure most of you are familiar with applying themes in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to give your content a consistent set of fonts, colors, and effects. Power BI users might also be aware that the built-in color scheme for Power BI visuals wasn't pleasing to everyone. And worse yet, modifying it could be challenging. I'm happy to report that the Power BI team recently added the option to apply new built-in themes to Power BI reports, similar to what you can do with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You'll be able to see these new theme options by selecting Switch Theme in the Home ribbon in the Power BI desktop. All you need to do is pick your desired theme from one of 7 new options, and it will be applied to all your visuals that use the default color palette. You can also find a link to the Report Theme Gallery in the same place, which contains community-developed themes. In addition, you will find help on creating your own theme if, for example, you want to create one based on your organization's branding. This update also includes a preview of a PDF file connector that lets you access table data in PDF files, a preview of IntelliSense support for the M language used by Power BI, and more. We provide links to everything you need to know in the transcript and resources guide.